The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Motorola Moto G7 Optimo for straight talk. So this is a new phone for straight talk. It recently got released. So this is the Moto G7 clone for straight talk, but with a different name. This is Model XT1952DL. So there's the front right there. It has a notch right there. Has a big ass notch right there. Y'all see it has the 18:9 screen. Your power button's on the right side, your volume button is also on the right side as well. So that's fine right there. There's the right side, like I said, power button, your volume button, and the camera just tap right there. On the back of the Moto G7 Optimo, it has a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and track phone over there on the back. Headphone jacks on top and stuff like that. So the Moto G7 Optimo is 4G LTE, of course, Wi-Fi. It has a 5.7-inch HD plus display. It's 294 ppi. It's a 19:9 screen ratio. It's 1512 by 720 pixels. Digital dimensions there. Usage time is 40 hours. 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera for f2.0 aperture lines, face detection, autofocus, and LED flash on back. Compact design, peak performance. We are constantly adding new features to our collection of Moto experiences to make your experience easier and more enjoyable. Take Moto Display, which gives you a quick preview of the notifications and updates, so you don't miss, so you don't have to unlock your phone to see what's going on. Or Moto Actions, which lets you use simple gestures to make everyday interactions more convenient. Don't jump through hoops to stay in the loop. The screen knows when you're looking at something, so it won't turn off while you are reading. Whether it's a twist up reverse to open the camera, chopping down twice to turn on the flashlight, or navigating using the newly redesigned one-button nav, you can use your favorite features in a way that's natural and intuitive. That's just a glimpse of what your phone can do. So it has all the Moto actions like the chop to the flashlight, the twist the wrist, the open camera, stuff like that. So it has all those features in there. So that's a win. So the Moto G7 Optimo is available in 3 payment options. If you have great credit, it's $9.13 a month for 25 months. So if you guys want to pay monthly, y'all guys can do it. So if you guys are building credit, it's $19.85 a month for 15 months. Or it's $139.99 full retail price, so not too bad. I suggest you guys get a full retail. It's $139.99, not too bad. This is a budget smartphone. There's the phone right there in front. There's your dimensions there. Your frame weight is 168 grams. I'm not sure how much it is in ounces or anything. It has a 3000 mAh battery. The battery is now removable. 40 hours of talk time. 40. I don't know what the standby time is. It says 40 hours, but that's wrong. It has 4G LTE. I'm sure this runs on Verizon network. So yeah. But you guys get in the box, and y'all guys get the Moto G7 Optimo charger, battery, which is embedded in the phone. Y'all guys get it right there. Facing card, service card, and quick start, yeah, stuff like that. That says a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Transfer was available to move stuff from your old phone to your new phone. Text TFMT XT1952DC 2611 for more tutorials. The G7 Optimo has Android Pie, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, has micro secrets of up to 512 GB of micro secret expansion. Your camera says take a picture, and the camera automatically captures multiple shots, intelligently recognizing issues like blur, images, or closed eyes. So if you close your eyes, it will recognize like, hey, someone closed the eyes or whatever. That's pretty cool. Then it recommends the best shot to keep, so you get the best results. Shoot a time-lapse video while in motion and smooth out all the unwanted jerks, shakes, and bounces thanks to post-capture stabilization. captures so much in the video to focus on details your eyes moves at normal speed. It has a 10 watt rapid charging, so let's have temporary charging on the sign, so that's a 1. The display on the G7 Optimo is enjoy ultra wide views on the stunning 5.7 inch Max Vision XT Plus display, which gives you the big screen you've been craving. Unlike traditional displays, Max Vision provides maximum viewing with a 19:9 aspect ratio, fully immersing you in movies, games, photos, and everything else. So there you guys have it. The Moto G7 Optimo is now available at Straight Talk for $139.99 for a retail price, or $9.13 a month for 24 months. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It looks a lot. Peace and break. Comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.